Alright, so we're out here today to do the maiden flight of the SR-22 by Dynam. Now as you'll recall, we had some build issues with this plane, so we're going to hope that it stays together in the air and flies alright. Anyway, let's get on out to the flight line and see how she does. Alright, let's do it!
Give me one more. Very good landing. Very good.
Well, there you have it. She honestly flew better than I expected her to. A little bit of bounce on the landing, but honestly not a bad little plane. Handles a lot like my E-flite Cirrus. So I don't know that I would put this as the first plane on my list, but I wouldn't throw it in the bin either. This one I'm going to keep around for a while. Anyway, y'all keep flying.